everyone, this is Praveen, speech therapist, Pinnacle Blooms Network, Santosh Nagar facility. Today we will discuss about stacking cups activity. The stacking cups activity uses for improving attention, eye contact, identification of colors and counting numbers, and also for Videns imagination. How it works we will see now. First we have to take out all the cups and we have to place in front of the kid. And then we have to ask the kid, place yellow in blue cup, red in yellow cup, green in red cup, brown in green cup, orange in brown cup. And we can use for numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And this improves hand-eye coordination and gross motor skills. Thank you.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special edu healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.